Everyone thinks the best-selling air compressor for sandblasting is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Metaba HPT the Tank. First up is the Metaba HPT air compressor known as the Tank. Priced at $199, this portable pancake compressor really caught my attention with its impressive power and pressure capabilities. If you want a reliable air compressor for heavy-duty tasks, this is worth a serious look. It can pump out 4 CFM at 90 psi, allowing you to run multiple tools without skipping a beat. That's perfect for sandblasting, where consistent airflow is key. Plus, it weighs only 42 pounds, making it easy to transport on job sites. Now, some people complained about its noise level being a bit high. Here's the thing though, if you're working with pneumatic tools, a little noise is expected. This compressor is designed for serious work, so that shouldn't deter you. This is perfect for you if you need a powerful, portable option for various pneumatic tasks. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultra-quiet for small DIY projects. For the price, it offers solid value for those looking to tackle tough jobs. Product number 2, DEWALT Pancake Air Compressor. Next, we've got the DEWALT Pancake Air Compressor. Priced at $204.99, this one has been a favorite among users, and for good reason. If you want a quiet, reliable compressor for your sandblasting needs, keep listening. This compressor has a max pressure of 165 psi and delivers 2.6 SCFM at 90 psi. While it might not be as powerful as the Metaba, it's designed for long tool run times with quick recovery, which is crucial when you're in the middle of a project. It's also got an oil-free pump, so you don't have to worry about maintenance, which is a big plus if you're not keen on regular upkeep. With a noise level of just 78.5 dBA, it's one of the quieter options out there. However, some users mention that it struggles with larger tools that require more air. Here's the thing, if you're mostly using smaller sandblasters or nailers, you'll be fine. For heavy-duty sandblasting, you might want to consider something with higher CFM. This is perfect for you if you want a quieter compressor that's easy to handle. Skip this one if you need to run heavy-duty tools simultaneously. Still, for its price, it's a solid contender for general use. Product number 3, Porter Cable Portable Air Compressor. Coming in at a budget-friendly price of $169, we have the Porter Cable Portable Pancake Air Compressor. It's lightweight and easy to handle, which caught my eye immediately. If you want something that's portable without sacrificing performance, this is worth a look. The maintenance-free oil pump means you can just plug it in and go, which is fantastic for occasional users. Plus, it weighs only 30 pounds, making it a breeze to move around. But honestly, a few users found it lacking power for consistent sandblasting. Here's the thing, if you're doing light work, you'll be just fine. If you're looking to sandblast heavy surfaces regularly, think about investing in something a bit stronger. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable, lightweight option for home projects. Skip this one if you're planning on intensive sandblasting. For its price, it's a competitive choice for casual users. Product number 4, BOSDITCH Air Compressor Kit. Next up is the BOSDITCH Air Compressor Kit, priced at $199.99. What stood out to me is that it comes with accessories, making it a solid choice for sandblasting. If you want a comprehensive package, keep listening. This model has a max pressure of 150 psi and offers 4 CFM at 90 psi, which is great for sandblasting tasks. The oil-free design means you don't have to worry about maintenance, and the 80 dBA noise level is pretty manageable for a work environment. It's lightweight at just 29 pounds and includes a 50-foot air hose and blowgun accessories, which is a nice bonus. However, some users pointed out that the hose could be a bit cumbersome to manage. Here's the thing though, with a little practice, it becomes easier to handle, and the added tools can really enhance your efficiency. This is perfect for you if you want a kit that gives you everything you need right off the bat. Skip this one if you already have tools and just want the compressor. For the price, it's fantastic value, especially for beginners. Product number 5, LE-LEMATEC Sandblaster Gun Kit. Last but not least is the LE-LEMATEC Sandblaster Gun Kit, priced at just $67.99. This is an interesting option because it's designed specifically for sandblasting. If you're looking for a dedicated tool to enhance your sandblasting setup, this is worth considering. The dual feed modes allow you to tackle both small details and larger surfaces, which is great for versatility. Plus, the ceramic nozzle is designed for durability. You won't have to worry about replacing it constantly. However, some users found it a bit tricky to set up initially. Here's the thing, once you get the hang of it, it works incredibly well and can transform your sandblasting experience. This is perfect for you if you're into DIY projects or need a reliable tool for automotive rust removal. Skip this if you're looking for a compressor itself, as it requires a powerful one to work properly. For the price, it's a great addition to your sandblasting toolkit. So there you have it. We covered the Metaba HPT, DEWLT Pancake, Porter Cable, BOSTITCH, and LE-LEMATEC options. Each one has its strengths and weaknesses depending on your specific needs. If you want power and versatility, go for the Metaba. For quieter operation, check out DEWLT. Porter Cable is great for light jobs, while BOSTITCH offers a fantastic kit.